Hi everyone, this is the Kanmate channel. In this video, I'm going to smash this Chevrolet SS model made out of clay. Yes, this car is completely made out of clay. If this is your first time on my channel, I'll show you now that this is clay. Clay is soft and easily squished by hand. For example, let me bend the back part of this Chevrolet, but don't worry, I'll fix it afterwards. So, let's get started, but first I'll take off the bumper so it doesn't get squished. And as you can see, I easily bent the rear part of the body. It's all plasticine. Now, right before your eyes, I'll easily restore it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss awesome videos like this. So, I've straightened out the rear part. There are still some extra big cracks in the paint, but that's not a big deal. So, as I already told you, I'm going to wreck this car. I want to try dropping the clay car down a small hillside so that the car flips over as it falls. And here's what I'd like to try to do. I've never done this on the channel before and I hope it works. It's interesting. This Chevrolet is very well detailed. The engine, the underbody and the car's interior are all highlighted. I already showed this in more detail in the full review of this Chevrolet. You'd better watch that first. That's where I talked about how and from what I created this model. And now I'm heading outside to smash this Chevrolet. Here I am, I've arrived at the filming location. I'm planning to drop this Chevrolet down that slope over there, but not from the very top, somewhere in the middle. First, let's see what happens to the car after such a fall. But just as I was about to start filming, some small bogey showed up. A few minutes later, a truck followed it. Looks like everyone passed, so I can start filming. It didn't work out at first. The car did a single rollover, denting the hood and getting a few scratches on the side of the body. They're especially noticeable on the back of the car. You can even see how small pebbles got stuck in the plasticine. Again, there are very few rollovers, but the body has more dents and scratches from small stones and the car is gradually getting dusty. Still, I just can't manage to knock the car off. With so many rollovers, the car broke into different parts, even the engine flew off, the bumper with the radiator grille is lying there, along with the hood. Apparently, I didn't secure those parts well enough. The roof is barely holding on now, and I think it'll come off soon too. And of course, all the windows shattered here. After all these rollovers, I can't get the car to do proper flips. This slope is too flat. I need a steeper incline. Well, now I'll just throw the car from 5 meters and see what's left of it. Here I completely missed the right spot for the camera recording, and the car also broke into pieces. And now, to completely destroy it, I decided to drop this big rock weighing about 5 kilograms. I placed the car on its side on purpose so you could see how it gets crushed, because if you put it on its wheels, it's already completely flat and there's really nothing left to crush. What's this? A blurry image. Thanks to the camera for the autofocus. So, who was it in the comments asking to drop a rock on the car? Here you go. The rock fell in a weird way. I thought it would bend it more. Wow, everything's already falling apart here. Now that's some damage for sure. There are so many little dents from the rocks here. From the back, you can clearly see how the rock bent the car, and underneath there's some kind of zigzag shape. Sometimes these dents remind me of shotgun blast marks. Original poster of another wheel fell off. Yeah, there's nothing left to break here. Almost all the parts have already fallen off. And now, the final throw of the stone at the car. Well, here you can really see that the stone fell. Just look at how it got flattened. It's like a pancake. The engine and the interior are completely crushed here. Unbelievable. Even though I made the engine solid out of modeling clay, it's just shattered to pieces. Incredible. The front wheels just bent, and there's a lot of dirt stuck to the bottom. Yeah, that's how the rock fell. It just got flattened. Now it's just a solid piece of modeling clay. And here's the hood. It flew off right away along with the rock. Apparently, it stuck to it. Just look at how many dents there are. This is insane. It's a shame I couldn't do it the way I planned, to drop the car with multiple flips. I need to find another, more suitable slope with a steeper angle for that. There was still something to see in this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in my clay creations, thank you all for watching. Bye everyone.